Hello everyone. Hope you are all doing well during our extended closure. Unfortunately, we are closed for a little bit longer than expected. However, it's better to be safe than sorry. So today is day one of the extended closure, March 31st. And every day I'm going to do a agenda video just to explain to you exactly what you're supposed to be doing every day. If there's any PowerPoints or any other readings involved, there will be another video that you'll have to watch. But there's always going to be an agenda video. And so today is day one. So we're going to go into our, this is our stream screen, our very important screen that you'll see all the updates. We'll go into our extended closure schedule so that way you can see that. That is going to show you everything you need to do for each day. So day one is kind of simple. Day one, you're going to turn in a picture of your sexual and asexual animal plant project. So if you were doing that, you were supposed to be doing that during the first break. You can go into classwork. This is my screen, so your screen might look a little bit different. The sexual asexual plant project poster is on there. Okay, the assignment is there. You can click on the assignments. This one here, you can see all the pictures of the packet that we gave you before we left. So this is just like an overall explanation. This picture has an example as well as your rubric. So that being said, that is to be handed in or turned in rather. So on here it says, please take a picture of your project and upload it here. I'll give you 10 extra credit points if and only if you will add your project as a video explaining your project. So if you take a video of your project and holding it up or whatever, and post it here, you can get those 10 extra credit points just as a use of technology. All right, so that's really great. This project is going on the third marking period. So also, just to make sure, your 10-day, the first 10 days, so from the 17th to the 30th, all that work needs to be handed in. You have three options. Mr. Ortman did send out information about that. You have three options. First, you can take your work to the school. Second, you can send your work via snail mail, okay? Put it in the mailbox with a bunch of stamps, send it to school. Third, you can take a picture of all of your work and you can send me those pictures via email. So you can take a picture of that back of that sheet that we gave you with all the days, and you can take pictures of the inside the textbook. Okay. I would highly recommend not turning in your textbook if you're taking your work to school, or if you are sending it via mail. I suggest ripping those pages out because it is a interactive textbook, so you can do that. All right, but those assignments are super important because they are from marking period 3. Okay, so those the first 10 days as well as the sexual asexual poster project is going to be on the third marking period. Moving on, patterns of reproduction study guide. You also should have been doing that as well. So the first thing we had to do on our agenda was turn in the picture or a video of your plant project. Second, patterns of reproduction study guide. Okay, that is super important because that should have also been worked on during the time off. Okay, that you can see here as well. There are pictures that I have posted, as well as if you go back to this, the first link there is actually a Google Doc. That is where you're going to put all your information. You're going to send that to me. Okay, it'll be easier. Get onto this Google Doc. You're going to fill in the blanks. It's the exact same form as the packet that we gave you for your study guide before we left. I just put it into a Google Doc so that way you can just answer it within the document and then send it to me. Okay, so that is also for day one. And if we are looking at our extended, so we have turn in your asexual sexual plant project, complete patterns of reproduction study guide, and last but not least, you are going to watch that Amoeba Sisters video about asexual and sexual reproduction. So you can either copy this link and post it into the search bar, or you can go back into your classwork page. You can scroll down all the way down to YouTube videos, okay? Plan structure adaptations video, there's an asexual sexual reproduction, that all of these are going to actually be posted the day that they're supposed to be. Okay, so this is my screen. You'll see when it's gray like this for me, I see that it's scheduled for tomorrow. Okay, so that'll come up tomorrow for you to watch. Okay. As you can also see on my screen, all these the notebook pages will come up the day that they are supposed to be due. All right, I will also be making videos about the PowerPoints that I have made. Okay, so the PowerPoints will have a video to go along with them just to explain some things and how to actually put the information into your notebooks. Hopefully you have your notebooks. If you don't have your notebooks, I did add a blank pages for your notebooks. These are all your notebook pages that are blank. So if you wanted to put them, you know, just on a piece of paper or put them in a new notebook, you're more than welcome to do that. Okay. If you guys have any questions, you could always email me. Right now, there are only about 3 of you in the class that do have me on their roster that can get into Google Classroom. 2 of you you can't get in there. So that kind of, it stinks for them because they won't get all this interaction. They'll just have to do everything on paper. So please take advantage of everything that I am posting on Google Classroom. Take advantage of the videos, take advantage of the PowerPoints, because it's going to help you better understand everything. Okay, so get those 3 things done today. Turn in your project, make sure you do your study guide and watch that video. And I will see you again tomorrow in the agenda video tomorrow. All right, have a great day.